Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on school Chromebook in 2023. And before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to go to your browser, then type educationbluesky.com, then search on it. Now, after opening this page right here, you will find that there is a login icon right here and you can log in with your email. But sorry, in my region, this isn't available. But in your region, it will be available and you can sign in with your account easily. Now, if this didn't work with you, you have another website which is called Coursera.gq. Then it will show you this search bar right here. Then all you have to do is to type roblox.com, and actually you can use this website in order to open other things like Discord. And after typing roblox.com, you can click on this icon right here, open direct. Then it will take you to this page right here and you can sign up or log in from this icon to your email. Then you can play Roblox. And that's all for today. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.